Pumpkinferno is a spectacular light festival that takes place in the Upper Canada Village, about a 1-hour drive from downtown Ottawa. This all-ages event is held on select evenings in September and October and is experienced as a walking tour through a nighttime outdoor exhibit of carved pumpkins. We're excited to see what's in store for us tonight.
What are you going to see?
Pumpkins and pumpkins.
Pumpkinferno has been held since 2012, and there are nearly 7,000 pumpkins on display this year. The pumpkin exhibits were designed by Eastern Ontario artists, and it's fascinating to see how the pumpkins transform as day transitions into night. We highly recommend arriving as soon as the gates open. You will not only avoid the largest crowds, you can see the displays in the daytime and then aglow at night.
Okay, so if you get lost, what are you going to do?
Okay, stick this little light up.
Stick the light up. Yes, that's right. It's a very busy place, so I highly recommend you bringing lights and glow-in-the-dark items so you can spot your kids if they happen to run away from you.
Wear comfortable shoes, and if you have kids, be sure to dress appropriately, as it can get chilly in the nighttime.
So these pumpkins have been designed by a First Nations artist, and each year she carves something new and donates it to this project.
Also, get them to visit the washroom before you start your walk. Not counting the dinner at the Harvest Barn, the entire journey took us 1.5 hours with our 2 young kids, and we stopped to play some games at the midway point. Pumpkinferno should definitely be on your bucket list for fall in Ottawa.
And we're leaving. It took us about an hour and a half to go through the 1-kilometer trail. There are people just coming in now. It's going to be a busy night.